Hey guys, this is Brother DCP-L3560CDW. I'm going to show you how to load the toner, and you can see it's showing us no toner. Open the toner cover, then install toner cartridges: black, cyan, magenta, and yellow. So open up the cover. Then you need to remove this. So this is the toner. Don't put this toner this way. You need to make sure you put it this up. So remove this part, this second one. This is magenta. The first one is yellow. So make sure that the toner is facing up. Bring this one out as well. Make sure you put it to the side and bring this out. So make sure all the toner are facing up. Now what you need to do is you need to remove this. First of all, you take particular toner that you want to use. You start from the black. So you start from the black, you remove this plastic. Remove this. Then you go in, and the color is BK. So you go into the black, you follow the pattern, go in to BK. It's the first one. So you need to make sure it goes in this way. So push it down and it's in. This is BK for black. Then the next is we go to cyan. We go to cyan, remove this. Remove this cover. Then you go in to cyan and it's in. Can see, make sure the color is matched. So now this is cyan. The next is magenta. So you take magenta, remove the plastic, and remove this end. Then you go in, make sure the red, the match to the red side. Push it down, and you can see the color is matched. This is magenta. The last but not the least is yellow. So we'll take the yellow, remove the plastic, the same thing, remove the plastic here. Then you go in to yellow, push it down, and once you've done that, close the printer. Then you wait. Here we go. And you can see, once you've done that, please wait. You can see it will show you copy, scan, and secure print. What it's doing now is warming the toner. So you need to wait. So it's warming the toner. Please wait. And you can see the toner color here as well. This button is for you to cancel. This is the home. So you know, please wait. So it's still warming the toner. You also have shortcut. is done. So this is how to install the toner. Give the toner time to warm up, and once it's finished, you will see everything. The information will change. Okay, so this is how to install the toner. Thank you very much indeed, and stay blessed. Thank you.